Go ahead.
No!
I'm filming.
I could potentially die.
Careful, Kate.
I'm not sure what to do now. This is bad.
Go up! Bring your foot up!
Bring-
Wait, I can't get down from here.
You can't?
That's why I'm moving the chair so you can get.
Good thank you, Louisa. I didn't know what I was going to do once I got there.
I found the
The
Monopoly
ledge is
piece,
like,
guys.
the ledge is like this big.
Oh,
The
man.
only way it would be easier if we moved that. Yeah. Let's do that.
Okay.
And let's move this chair.
My first one is Steven at the ocean.
Oh, is that on Pinterest?
Your brother's gonna become bullied so ferociously. Oh yeah. Where is he?
He's also going to be wondering what we're doing.
I see too much.
Okay.
Oh, he doesn't care.
Oh,
He doesn't even know my anything.
Can I have this real quick? Just set it right here.
Are you sure you don't want to take off your socks, Kate?
That is not secure.
Oh, gosh, Kate.
There's a jar right there that was gonna break. Okay.
Yeah, that's going to break if that's there.
Okay.
Gosh, Kate.
That's just gonna really hurt if you fall.
Very much.
Hold on, we don't need this.
Okay, good, because that
We need a new plan.
alright.
I'm still not making my foot up here.
Please tell me you're recording this whole thing.
I haven't
I
stopped.
think I could jump
Don't
up here
stop.
from my brother here, but
Okay, I'm gonna move that thing just in case you fall. Because it's gonna break.
See, look at this. I can't make that big of a step. We need a. No. I could break a chair, but I'm not break a person. I thought I could just like.
This isn't gonna work.
No. I think that was the best way out.
Yeah.
I don't think it's possible. Okay. Well, it's possible to get up there. I did that, but the actual more than that. Because once you get up there, I'm too short to go anywhere else. Really.
Yeah.
That was wonderful. Thank you, fans.
Did you get it?
Are we done?
Yeah,
Yeah.
we're done.